Savar's Toy Review. In today's vlog, I'm gonna play with Yeti Set Go. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and give me a big thumbs up and hit the bell icon to get all new videos notification. And now, let the fun begin! Hey guys! See, this is the base and these are the meatballs. You're supposed to have one of the meatball and put it like that. When all four meatballs go in here, right? One right here, one right here, one right here, one right here, you say, I win. And that's the game. And now, let the fun begin. Hey guys, did you like my awesome video? Subscribe to my channel and give my videos a big thumbs up and share love. Thank you, have a nice day. Bye. Hit the bell icon to get all new videos notification. And now, bye.